What's going on, stackers? So in this video I'm going to be sharing an update with the LCBvault and showing you all the modules that we currently have within the course. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy and every other day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. So let's cut out all the fluff, get straight into it, and let me share with you or show you all the modules that we currently have within the LCBvault. So here we are. I'm going to give you a quick rundown of the modules, and if you stick around to the end you're going to be able to see where you can get a great discount on the course. So here's all the modules. We have the easiest Amazon ad strategy ever, how to set up your first Amazon ad, when to kill your ads, the benefit of running ads. So this little ad strategy is what I've been using for quite a while now, and it gets results, super simple to implement as well. Then if we scroll down, we have the case study. So this was my best selling Father's Day notebook last year, and I show you everything to do with that. We have some great resources here to get some ideas for your books. This tool helps me stay more productive, and honestly I wouldn't be able to live without this tool. It's just a Chrome extension. Pruning and managing your ads, how to create pattern designs, how to scale your pattern designs, creating portfolios for your ads, using Pinterest to find in-demand quotes, creating composition notebooks. Then we have just a little interior here, my pen name strategy, how to create colouring books, diving deeper into colouring books, a little bit of niche research, fattening your niche, researching and creating guest books, researching and creating blank music sheet books, 50 plus low and no content book ideas, and then we have the PDF version just here as well. Micro and macro niches and why I do both. We have a guest video from Rebecca Holman, and that's the basics of how to use PowerPoint. Then we have how I'm preparing for Q4, super easy way to create awesome designs, what not to do when publishing books, how I'm preparing for Q4 part 2, how to use the tangent templates listing helper. Then we have how to make better quality designs, my research process, my new favourite keyword tool, tips for creating better designs, AMS ads update. Then if we scroll down a little bit more, tips for creating better designs part 2, huge list of over 200 job titles. So with this I've actually done a bunch of research to find these job titles that people are actually searching for, gifts and things like that over on Amazon. Then we have this is why I love creating scalable designs, huge list of scalable quotes for you. So this is a huge list of scalable quotes, how I do research for Valentine's Day, hot new Valentine's Day niche. So this niche was pretty good for me in February. It was thanks to this niche that I ended up having over a $2,000 month. Now with this niche, it's not just for Valentine's Day. So there's a lot of sub niches within this niche which can sell all year round. And then we got the hot new Valentine's Day niche part 2. Now the sub niches I do share, and I share within a spreadsheet which is only for students, where we've got a lot of the cool stuff, including the scalable quotes and a bunch of other things as well. Then we have my best holidays to create books around, analysing expanded distribution sales to make more money, the top 10 niches of my best selling books, so I share that as well within the vault. Then we got Watch Me Work. So this one I actually put on YouTube recently. If you want to check that out and see what the videos are like, you can come over to here and go to this video just here. So the CANVA tutorial, how to make beautiful covers, is actually this video. Then we have why you need this free font manager. So I've been using this font manager and it's pretty cool. Then we have low and no content publishing, and then is low and no content publishing coming to an end? There's been a lot of talk about this recently, so I thought I would make a video specifically just for my students to give them some reassurance. Then we have 200 plus job titles, the text document, but again that is in the spreadsheet. Then we have bonus 140 journal and notebook niches. So that's it for the Vault. That's how many videos we have. I believe it's around 47 or so. But we also have the kids course. So our kids LCB is also within here as a bonus. And these videos are the welcome and overview, recommended paid tools, recommended free tools, researching kids low content books. Then we have creating an I Spy interior, creating a counting book interior, how to create book covers, title and keyword research, how to turn your kids' LCB book into an ebook, how to create rhyming books, would you rathers, tracing books, search and find books, conclusion and thank you, and then there's a text document to join the Facebook group. So if this sounds like something that you're interested in and you want to come and join us, right now at the time of this video going live, we do have some discounts going on within the Stackers Inner Circle. You can find a link down below. Because we reached 2,000 members within the Inner Circle, I'm having a huge discount on all of our courses. So you can get Printing Profits for £39.99. You can get the LCBvault for £39.99 as well. And this is going to end in 1 week. So it's going to be the 6th of March, so this Friday coming. So again, if you're interested and you want to get a discount on the course, come and join the Inner Circle so you can do so. Now when it comes to the Vault, I am adding some more cool stuff pretty soon. It's going to be all about keyword research. I have a brand new keyword research strategy which is pretty badass, and I'm going to be sharing it within the Vault. Now I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.